Here is a traditional Japanese toy called kamifusen, literally meaning paper balloon. It's made of very wrinkly paper and very thin, and there is a hole there. So the way to blow it up, of course, is to put your air through the hole, and then it becomes round. And notice that once it's round, it's quite bouncy. Okay? It's quite bouncy. It's effective elasticity, that's quite nice. But there is another way to make it round. I crumple it completely, and then start hitting it, tossing it. Now, when you hit on something, don't you have the impression that you should be denting it and therefore making it less round? And surely when you hit it, you make it less and less convex. Right? You're hitting it, you're denting it. But look what's happening. I'm just hitting it randomly. And the result, all that denting made it round. This is a way of making something round by denting it. That's really strange.